My crafty friends, this is Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. I'm so glad to be here today, and I'm so glad that you're here today. So, I have been in Florida for a week. I'm from Florida. I'm from Fort Lauderdale, but my whole family, basically, before I moved to North Carolina, all moved to Central Florida. So, anyway, when we go visit my family in Florida, we go to Central Florida. So that's where I've been for a weekend. If you hear my voice, I have a little cold. My husband got sick there in Florida, and I didn't get sick in Florida. What happened was I was trapped in a car with him for 10 hours driving home, and so his germs got to me, and I was sick by Wednesday of this past week. Well, this past week I was home. The week before that I was in Florida, but it's taken me a week to, I haven't recovered yet because I was sick. Got sick on Wednesday. We got home Sunday night, and and I have had no time to recover. I haven't even unpacked my bag, not one thing out of my clothes bag that I took. I haven't unpacked one thing out of there. So yeah, that tells you where I'm at. So I'm kind of like feeling better now, even though I sound a little stuffy. I am a little stuffy, but feeling a lot better. But anyway, I've just been surviving this week, trying to get to work every day because couldn't take a day off because we had a trial happening this next week, and I had to be there. I felt like I had to be there anyway. So anyway, before I left to Florida, I was finishing up this cute Halloween journal, and I tried my best, my darndest. I mean, I just gave it everything I had, every second I had. I just didn't have another second to finish this up and do a flip through before I left because I wanted to do a tassel, and it's in my shop, but I'm still adding a tassel because that was my plan, and I have a eyelet here and everything, and I'm going to do a flip through in a separate video, but this video is going to be about making the tassel. I wasn't going to do a separate video on making the tassel, but it's going to be so fun and cute, so I thought I would go ahead and just get it together real quick here. Yeah, I've just, it's finally made it to the weekend. Right, so like last Sunday night I was home, but usually what happened was, I'll talk about it while I'm crafting here. Usually we give ourselves a day to recover, like say we're gone for a week to Florida, then we come home on Saturday and give ourselves Sunday to recover, right? Well, my niece was getting married on Saturday night or evening, late afternoon, whatever, 4 o'clock on last Saturday, the 26th of October. And so we couldn't leave on Saturday. We went down to visit my family, but it was convenient that she, we planned it around her wedding too. We usually go this time of year, but since she was getting married October 26th, we're like, okay, that's the perfect time to go, but we couldn't come home a day early. So anyway, that's why we came home Sunday night. Didn't have a day to recover. So, yeah. And then it all went downhill from there where I got sick. So, now I have just everything to do this weekend, but still trying to recover from a cold. So it's all good. It'll be all right. I'm fine. I feel great today. Even though I don't sound great, I was worried I would lose my voice because sometimes when I get sick, it goes to my throat, and I'll get a cough sometimes and lose my voice. I'll get laryngitis, but it didn't this time. Thank goodness I didn't lose my voice. I still have it. So excited, and I'm happy. So let's get some pretty ribbons together here and make a pretty tassel for this this fun journal. I was just going through and adding, like I said to myself before I left, that this journal was done, and then I just went and added a few things. So I'm gonna go through it again after this. It's already in my shop, but I'm still adding things. So you'll see everything during the flip through, which will be the next video. I've been all year since last year, I think, when I went to Florida. Like I try to get ahead on my videos when I go to Florida, so when I'm gone, I still have videos going. But so I've been ahead since last year. I've been like 2 weeks ahead all year. I believe. And it's a little hard because when you're ahead of yourself, it's, see, I don't know if I can even explain it, but say you get done with a journal and you put it in your shop, it's like, okay, now the flip through is not going to be for 2 weeks because you're kind of like 2 weeks ahead of yourself. I hope that makes sense. But now I finally got caught up with myself. I know that probably doesn't make sense at all, but I got caught up with myself. So now, now I need to make some videos because I'm not 2 weeks ahead anymore. I do have some Daphne's Diary journals that I've made. I have those. I have probably 4 or 5 of those still. But I don't want that to be like everyday Daphne's Diary journal. So I need to spread those out and make other videos. And my son and his wife are gone this, well, they've been gone this, they went to Florida too for the wedding and to visit family. But then they were just there for a few days. We were there all for a whole week, like 2 weekends and Monday through Friday in between. If you hear a cat, that's one of their cats. I'm watching their 6 cats and 2 dogs this week, and 2. And one of them has it out for me. They all love me except for one. All the 5 cats love me. 2 dogs love me. They have a bunny too. The bunny doesn't seem to love me. The bunny doesn't love me. The bunny is a little, I have to be careful of the bunny or it'll nip me when I try to put food in its cage. And then this one cat is a little psycho. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's a calico. I think they told me that calicos are a little kind of sketchy sometimes. They are a little standoffish, that type of thing. I don't know if that's what they told me, but I think that's what they told me. Anyway, all their cats are not. They only have one calico, and the calico is here in my space now, downstairs. Their space is upstairs. Our space is downstairs. Ooh, this is looking beautiful. I love that green in there. And anyway, the calico, even though it hates me, it keeps coming down into my space. I think it actually wants, maybe looking for food. I've fed them. I've watered them. Did all I'm supposed to do with them. You know, they're well taken care of. But the calico, there's 4 girls and 2 boys. Anyway, they're all super sweet except for the calico. She hates me. Anyway, but she keeps coming down into my space, and I feel like she's going to attack me every time I go outside like I have the door closed, and whenever I go into her room, I close the door. And if I go out into the kitchen, I'm going to have to see if I can get her back up into her space because I feel like she's psycho. She just she'll come and rub against my leg, and then she'll turn around and hiss at me. And then she scratched me the other day, and she'll do her paws at me. Even though, I don't know, like I said, 1 minute she likes me and the next second she hates me. So I don't know what's going on with her. But I'm afraid of her because she scratched me and I don't want to be scratched again or anything or attacked. I don't know what she's going to do to me. And I'm not normally afraid of animals, but since she scratched me, that kind of got me paranoid. I think I need a little bit more of this eyelash trim. It's not, I think I need at least one more. It's like a purplish color. I think it'll be really pretty. And when you put something like this in a tassel, it makes it nice and fluffy. So maybe a couple more of these actually. And we might have enough then. I think, let me make sure I put everything in here. Oh, I need some rickrack. I put all the ribbons here in front of me that I wanted to use. So, and I'm kind of like just getting things done here. I'm going to make this tassel and then do the flip through and go through it and make sure there's nothing else I want to put in there. Even after the flip through, I might be, when I'm cleaning up, I may be adding things because I've got a lot of Halloween stuff to clean up. So, anyway, here's the rickrack. This is going to be quite pretty. Look at all the colors. Let's see, where do I want this? There's an orange there. Let's kind of put it right here. Yeah, I know one of my subscribers says she likes to watch me or she actually thinks, she said loves to watch me make tassels. And I wasn't going to make this on video like I said, but, you know, since I'm doing it for her. It's just for you and everybody else too, but, you know, she's made a point of telling me that she loves to watch me make tassels. So it's for you. And let me make sure I got all my ribbons here. Let me go through them. I've got that one, 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 got that one. I only have one of the black and white polka dot. It's because it was left over from another package, and this is a new package I haven't opened, but I really think I have enough. I think if I put any more, I mean, you know, the fluffier the better, but let me go grab a, you know, yeah, I have the orange. Okay, let me go grab a notebook ring. Just 1 second. Oh, that looks so pretty in the camera. When I just looked up at the video to pause, I was like, oh, it looks so pretty, all the colors. So we're going to gather this up. I know I'm talking a mile in a minute, aren't I? It's because I haven't done a video in a week and I have so much to tell you. I'll talk about Florida more and what we did in the next video. We had a really good time, but some things happened too. So I'm not going to talk about it all right now, though. I need to concentrate on a little bit of crafting here. Since I did craft in Florida, but and I'll tell you about that too. Okay, let me get this situated here. Let me get these all even. This one's a little long on the other side. Orange, a little long over there. Let's see, orange and white polka dot. Yeah, this one's short out here and long over there. And these are good. Let's see, the eyelash trim or eyelash yarn. Let me make sure. If I look for a short one, then it's probably going to be long, not too long on the other side. And then I know that way I'm not going to worry about the longness. Or something being too long. I'm going to worry about something being too short. And then if I pull on it, then it's going to even things out. Okay, I think I've got it pretty good there. So let me see if I can keep it all together. And I need something to tie it off with. Let's get a green one. I think we can use another green piece here. And this is nice, and this is a thinner this way, the width-wise, a thinner, so it'll be easy to tie around and make a little bow. I'm going to get an extra long piece here so we have plenty of room to make a bow and still have it hang down and blend in with the tassel. Yeah, I had to make a tassel. I had to make a tassel because I had to. I mean, I put an eyelet there for a reason, right? I wasn't going to not make a tassel, even if it's sold before I got home, because I had it in my shop before I went to Florida. But it hasn't sold yet because I haven't done a video flip through of it yet. And I'm going to put it, I always do a little reel too on Instagram. Just love doing those. Okay, this green one's sticking up a little bit here. Let me see if I can find that. There it is. Okay, this one. There we go. Okay, that's perfecto. Okay, and now secure the top. And I guess I will tie a knot. So it's a double knot actually. Make sure it's nice and secure. No, it's not gonna come untied if there's a double knot. And I'll tie a little bow. And there we go, a bow. And then let's see. This is hanging down. The bow's a little, let me make that bow a little bit smaller. Seems a little big. Whoops, wrong ribbon. Yeah, something like that. There we go. A little bit smaller on this side. And tighten it up, okay. Fluff it up, hang down so it can blend in. And it is done, I think. What was I going to do? Something else? No, let's just attach it. So I attach it with, I put a little bulb pin here. It hangs nice. Like you could just put it through the eyelet like that, but it'll be like kind of like that. And so it hangs better if I put a bulb pin. I have my bulb pins behind me. Let me see. So this is an orangey, kind of orangey yellow. It actually matches that ribbon perfectly. Let me see what I have here. I have an orange. This is my bag of bulb pins. I got a few in there, right? I got a few. I think I got that from Temu. bag of colored bulb pins. So then I just put this on here, and it hangs really nice. And so it can be taken off with the bulb pin or the notebook ring, either or both or whatever. But it hangs, see, it hangs nice. And so yeah, this is the front. And so here it is. Oh, that looks beautiful on there. Very beautiful. This is the tie closure here. So I just added this, things I added just now. You didn't see a lot of this because I don't think I did too many videos on this because I needed to get it done. I was trying to get it done, like I said before I left, and I just couldn't. I couldn't get it done. I was packing the night before we left, and I didn't get packed until really the morning that we left. I didn't finish, working and all that kind of stuff. I had an order that night, Friday night, before we left on Saturday morning. I had an order to get together and just didn't have time to make a tassel. Packing an order, just no time. Plus I was tired. Sleep is good sometimes. So I have these two little things I just stamped. I thought these would be fun for someone to... I put like a little tag kit in here, which I'll show you. I'm not going to show you right now, but I wanted to put maybe one of these in each signature. I just thought these would be something fun somebody could do something with. I might put one right here. So, where does it look good? Kind of looks good in the middle, doesn't it? So I'll attach that with a paper clip. I think I have my paper clips in the other room, actually. But I'll bring a paper... I've been working on paper clips, so I think I have them in the other room where I've been crafting with them while watching TV before I left on vacation. Okay, so I'll put one there, and I'll put one over the top of a page, like here. Or I have something on that side here. And I put like a couple little tag kits in here. So like I made tags, and then somebody else can have fun making tags or whatever. It can be a tag, or they can do whatever they want with it. But I'll put a paper clip over that too. Oh, this is on the top of the page. So I have my decorated paper clips behind me. So I'll put one of those on here. Just on the side. Well, I might have one with a bow on it. Hold on, okay, that one can be there. I like to put them in different spots. Let's see. Let me see where that one's falling. I need one over here. There we go. Yeah, see, there it is. And then the one we just put here, where did it go? Where did it go? Here it is. Okay, I might have a little paper clip with a bow on it. Let me grab that. Yeah, I have a bag of clothes I haven't unpacked, and I have a bag of craft goodies I just unpacked because I needed my glue out of there. Because I was doing something with glue. I was gluing something in here, and I was like, I had taken my art glitter glue with me. Oh, here's a cute little paper clip that will go. I like the little ones with bows on it to go on the side. Instead of a big, ribbon hanging out the side, I'd rather have a little bow like this. So this one can go. This is a little piece of fabric, vintage piece of fabric that was from a vintage apron. And that was a little scrap. And there it is on a paper clip now. Going in. It has orange on it, so it's orange and green. So cute little, perfect little paper clip for the edge there. So anyway, stay tuned for... Oh, why is it sticking? Oh, there's a little bit of sticky stuff on there. I'll have to see if I can wash that off. Maybe it's glue. I don't know. Oh, you know what? It might be, is it glue or sticker residue? I don't know. Anyway, I will see you in my next video, which will be a flip through of this journal. So thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the making of this beautiful, colorful tassel, and I'll see you then. Have a great day.